Hey boys and girls, it is our last lesson of math in the 4th grade, so you should be super excited, and I'm really excited to teach this with you. So we're gonna do lesson 16. It's all about drawing some shapes. So I'm gonna do this on a whiteboard today because I want you to be able to draw this on any piece of paper if you do not have the math pages. So it says on the grid paper, which I do not have the grid paper, I'm gonna use my whiteboard, draw at least one quadrilateral to fit the description. So remember, a quadrilateral is a shape with 4 sides. So use the given segment as one segment of the quadrilateral. If you do not see the segment, you can just draw the shape on your piece of paper. Name the figure you drew using one of the terms below. So you can draw a parallelogram, a trapezoid, a rectangle, a square, or a rhombus. So here we go. A quadrilateral that has at least one pair of parallel lines. So what shape has one pair of parallel lines? That is a trapezoid. So here we go. Remember to put your little arrows in saying that those are parallel, and that is a trapezoid. That is 1A. For 1B, it says a quadrilateral that has 4 right angles. Well, what has 4 right angles? A rectangle and a square has 4 right angles, but a rectangle has 2 sets of parallel lines, and a square has 2 sets of parallel lines. For 1B, you can draw either a square or a rectangle. I'm going to draw a rectangle. So again, my rectangle looks like this. I'm gonna put my 4 corners in, like that, and then my parallel lines. So that, 2 arrows, remember? 2 arrows, remember? And it looks just like this. So that is number 1B. Then for 1C, it says a quadrilateral that has 2 pairs of parallel sides. So again, you could draw a rectangle, a square, or I'm going to draw a parallelogram. So again, I'm going to draw, oops, let me get it. So this is my parallelogram. These are parallel lines, and these are parallel lines. Remember, a parallelogram does not have any right angles. It has 2 acute and 2 obtuse angles. So for number 1C, I drew a parallelogram. You can draw a rectangle or a square. Those are 2 acceptable shapes. Even a rhombus would do too. 1D is a quadrilateral that has at least one pair of perpendiculars. Remember, perpendicular is when 2 lines intersect and they make a 90-degree angle, so in a square or a rectangle, and at least one pair of parallel lines. So I'm going to draw a square for this one. So again, remember, a square has all equal sides. That makes it different than a rectangle. So here's my beautiful square. I'm going to put dashes on each of the lines because that means that they are equal. Put in your 4 corners. And that is number 1D. That is it, boys and girls. It was lesson 16 was all about drawing quadrilaterals. To celebrate the last lesson of today, we're going to do a little dance party. So feel free to stand up and dance away. I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric. You can snap or clap if you want to, but you should celebrate your success. I got that sunshine in my pocket. Do your best dance move. Celebrate it because you just finished 4th grade math. Nowhere to hide when I'm getting Sing along if you know the lyrics. Hold on. Dance, dance, dance. Okay, boys and girls, you can continue to dance, but this is our last lesson. So tomorrow you have your last exit ticket, and I hope you guys have an amazing Thursday, and hopefully I will see you soon. I will see you soon at the last day parade at Hague Elementary on Thursday, June 11th. Bye, everyone.